Hello Curious Cubs. Have you ever seen the sun suddenly become dark during the daytime? Or a bright moon turn red in the night sky? These amazing events are called eclipses. But how do eclipses happen? Let's find out. First, let's meet the three main characters of today's adventure. The sun, the earth, and the moon. These three objects are always moving through space. Sometimes they line up in a straight line. When this happens, an eclipse can occur. There are two main types of eclipses: a solar eclipse and a lunar eclipse. Let's start with the solar eclipse. A solar eclipse happens when the moon moves between the earth and the sun. The moon blocks some or all of the sun's light from reaching earth. As a result, the sun appears to disappear for a short time. Imagine standing outside during the day and suddenly seeing the sky become darker. That is exactly what happens during a solar eclipse. When the moon completely covers the sun, it is called a total solar eclipse. During this event, the bright outer atmosphere of the sun becomes visible. This glowing ring around the sun is called the corona. It is one of the most beautiful sights in astronomy. Now let's learn about the lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse happens when the earth moves between the sun and the moon. In this case, the earth blocks sunlight from reaching the moon. The moon passes through Earth's shadow. As the shadow covers the moon, it becomes darker. Sometimes the moon even turns a reddish color. This is known as a blood moon. The red color appears because some sunlight passes through Earth's atmosphere and bends toward the moon. Isn't that amazing? So remember, in a solar eclipse, the moon blocks the sun. In a lunar eclipse, the Earth blocks sunlight from reaching the moon. Now let's talk about something very important: safety. Looking directly at the sun can seriously damage your eyes. Never look at the sun during a solar eclipse without proper protection. Regular sunglasses are not safe. Scientists use special eclipse glasses and solar filters to observe the sun safely. Another safe method is using a pinhole projector. It lets you watch the eclipse indirectly. The good news is that lunar eclipses are completely safe to watch with your eyes. No special equipment is needed. Now it's time for our grand quiz. During a solar eclipse, who comes between Earth and the sun? A. Earth, B. Moon, C. Mars, D. Jupiter. Think carefully. 3, 2, 1. And the correct answer is B. Moon. Excellent job, Curious Cubs. Today we learned that eclipses happen when the sun, earth, and moon line up in space. We discovered how solar eclipses and lunar eclipses occur. And most importantly, we learned how to observe eclipses safely. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep discovering the wonders of science. See you in the next adventure on Curious Cub. Goodbye, explorers.